Well, guys, good morning to everybody. Good morning to all. It is another shitty, moist, damp, gloomy, miserable fuck day outside. So,
well, we've got our Cummins mounted back to our frame, and we've got our transmission and transfer case ready to go. Like Joel mentioned, we do still need a second gen.
I haven't landed any. You know what would be nice to get, guys, and I would love to have it more than anything, like way more, is a tire supply hookup for tires for scooters and a source for electric scooters. That'd be great. But it hasn't surfaced yet, guys, you know. To be honest, I think that would be in the right direction of things, you know. And you guys have seen how hard I've ridden that S9 Max to the pad. I mean, that thing's got 2,000 some miles on the odometer. I mean, those are not just average, you know, cruise it miles around your town. I go on the bike trail. I go everywhere with this freaking scooter, guys. I take it everywhere. So, I mean, this scooter just don't sit up in the garage collecting dust. I mean, this thing goes. I mean, I take it everywhere. Even with the crack in the frame, guys, I have to give it... I have to give credit where credit is due. You see, guys, the funny thing is, Ice and Wheel has made a dual motor scooter. Now, this whole entire time, I still had my cracked frame S9 Max. They've never reached out to me to apologize, say, hey, sorry, we just gave you some shocks to your scooter and called it good. You know, I've still thought about that one, guys. Guys, I think they like to give a cheap pawn or cheap band-aid for the people that have a broken scooter, but then what happens to the integrity of the rest of the scooter, guys? Something else, I'm sure. Somewhere else there's gotta be fatigue on the frame, guys, you know. It's just not, you call it good and you're done. No. I've never heard that before. So, guys, I'm waiting to hear from the company themselves, you know. And, guys, thank you to all 577 of you. And a happy early Thanksgiving to those of you who might be home, who might have homes to live in. And those of you who are homeless, please stay warm and please, you know, go visit a friend. You know, if you guys know someone who's homeless, guys, you can give them a helping hand, please do. You don't got to give them money or nothing like that. You can always just give. You can give them, offer them a place to stay. You offer them a place to rest their head. Guys, you'll be surprised what the little kind gesture you do. It makes a difference to them in their life, guys. It really does. It might not seem like it's a grand gesture, but I mean, everyone shows their gratitude and thanks in different ways, guys. So don't take it the wrong way if you don't get the thank you you're looking for. You know. And guys, I just want you to remember that I just want you guys to remember that all these people who are homeless, guys, they're going through it. You know, they're going through some stuff. You know, I'm actually really, really excited for these black Malu's, guys. I tell you what, you know, looking forward to it. So yeah, I've worked to keep this G-rated as possible. I have worked my butt off just getting the tank to where it is like right now. I've got the nitrate level down. I've got the only thing that's going on is the water parameters hard, but that's okay, guys. You know, I think, what am I going to do for a video for you guys? I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Yeah, I think we're actually gonna charge up that dustbuster, guys. That's what we're gonna do. Like right now, we're gonna start with that because I know that's gonna need to be charged up to be used. So let's grab that out where it's sitting at. Let me see where I can find the dustbuster at. I know I have it sitting here, guys. I just gotta find it. I didn't forget it. Give me 1 minute here to find it. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Where is it, guys? Where the heck did I put it at? You know, isn't it always the case, like when you go to find something or go to use something, you can never find it, like, right away? Oh, here it is, guys. Sitting right here on the floor. We're going to plug it in. I think we're going to set it on my bed, guys. Give me just a minute. I'm going to charge it up over doing something, guys. I think I'm going to run the... You know what? I think I know exactly what you guys need for today, guys. How about we get out the Dirt Devil Dynamite Plus? Guys, like I said, I want to do a little bit of vacuum right now anyway, so I think I'm going to, maybe I'll vacuum between the couch cushions, guys, on the couch. That's what I think I might do with this thing. Use them here, guys. I think this is powered off anyways right now, so aim it. Give me a sec, guys, yeah. See where I'm aiming the prongs at. There you go. Alright, guys, we're going to go ahead and start vacuuming right now, then we'll work our way towards the couch cushions, I think. What was that? Oh, you gotta turn the same tire, nothing that time, guys. Not bad. Well, guys, we do have a twofer this vacuum, so that's good. We actually need some cleaning with it. So I can keep everything on here. Reposition the brush head because it seems to be a little sideways. Doing that here to straighten things out. Like I heard it clean out a little bit of the crumbage on the couch, guys. That's all we're gonna do here. Guys, I gotta say, for an older unit, I'm pretty impressed with how well this is done. I mean, it's actually managed to do quite well. Still has really good suction too, and I mean, here guys, I'll show you something. There's some dirt right there. Let's see if we can pull that dirt from underneath the couch with this hose. I'm like staying like right about here, guys. Let's see. You want a minute? Vacuum, not bad at all. And guys, this is actually my first double dynamite plus that I've had for my vintage collection, which I'm pretty excited about, guys, you know. Alright guys, so we're gonna go roll this up like right now. But yes guys, if you guys do find any vintage dirt out, don't be afraid to fix it up, you know. Either it means you have to rewire the vacuum or replace the motor. You learn how to do it yourself. But with that being said guys, you learn a whole new skill set with your vacuum. You learn something that you'd have to take it to a tech board and do it. And you'll never have to do it because you'll know how. Alright guys, let's see here. What do we got here going on? I've had zero complaints on the unit, guys. It works really good. I mean, just look at how it cleaned up that couch right with the cushion, guys. It really piled the dirt into the bin like really quick. I mean, guys, I haven't had a chance to get the, I really need one for it, but I don't have one just yet. Let me turn this a little more towards you guys. I really need an F2 filter, guys. I really need one of those. No one got one, but I'm going to have to pick one up. So maybe I'll get lucky and find one in a store somewhere. Who knows? I have my Endura and I've got my multi-surface and I have the Shark Stratos, guys. So for upright vacuums, if you all see any of the following that I have, feel free to ask me and I'll be more than happy to make you guys a video.